What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. Yes, I know it's been a minute. I do apologize. So, been having a lot going on with the car store stuff. I got sick, missed the car store race, had to get better. Then I had one of my street stock races. Attempted to make a video, just too much cussing and fussing going on at me, so I aborted it, right after parking. Said, hell, I need to focus on making this go smooth. So, had about 20 cars, I think it was, a little over 20, like 21, I think. 16 started, 17 started the feature. So making good progress with that. Looking to have 8 races next year with my street stock series as a promoter. Gosh, I never would have thought a year ago I'd be saying that, but hell, here we are. But today we're going easily back up to Tyler's shop. Once Fred gets here, ready to go. We're gonna be 85 on 85 going up to Tyler is racing Bittersweet 2.0. If everything goes good this week, it will make its debut at Motor Speedway Saturday, November 4th. Hell, at the end of October. So Tyler's going over there. I'm going to the car store race at Caraway. I got my YouTube commitments with them to finish up this weekend, their last championship race. Might be pretty good between Brendan Queen and Carson Quapple. He done chopped some points on him. I think it's like 19 points for the car store championship this weekend. So hopefully or next weekend, hopefully it'll be a real good race. But I'll be there for 2 days to cover that, give a little extra attention coverage. But while I'm doing that, all the Kicking Asphalt boys hopefully will be going opposite direction to Dillon. So if I can get done quick enough at Caraway on Saturday, it's an hour and 54 minutes. I already looked it up. Over to the Dillon Motor Speedway. So I'll tell you more about that later in the video, what we're trying to do over there. They got a non-winners race. We're trying to get Tyler locked in because his personal car will be done by then, and the other baby will be here, his other son will be here by then. So got a lot coming up. It'd take a load off of us if we could just get him locked in, if he could win the non-winners race this weekend. Tell you a little bit more about it. It's still early in the morning and I'm wide open, but let's go ahead and get started. Get that windshield cleaned off. We'll get headed on up to Easley. It's crack of dawn early in the morning. Shouldn't be too hard to do that little bit of that 85 on 85 with everybody out of the way. Get out of the neighborhood first. Watch for deer that Cody ain't done shot. Well, I said there wouldn't be a lot of people out on the road this morning. I bet I'd have met 15 cars on the road I live on. Must be shift change at the Kubota. Put us a little push water in, then we'll be ready to go. I pulled in here to the local 76, so pretty sunrise about to happen. Filled the truck up. That's my new truck to me. Gas 50 cents more a gallon here than it is one exit up. Problem is one exit up 7 miles. So I don't know if I made it 7 miles. Anybody knows me knows I run on E. But get filled up, back on the road. For the ones of you wondering, out here on the East Coast, $3.29 a gallon for 87 regular. Right up the street, like I said, 9 miles up the interstate. Ain't right up the street, 9 miles up the interstate, Commerce. It's like $2.70 a gallon, or $2.79. Whatever 50 cents is, I ain't no math magician. So hop back in the old Silverado and get on up the road. And by the moonlight, let y'all know what time it is. Wake up, truckers, get out of the way. Time to ease in. Do a little bit of that 85 on 85 all the way to Easley, South Carolina. Get in where we fit in. Been a smooth ride so far. We dropped to 84 on 85. Had to get her back up. About to roll into the big state of South Carolina. Upstate part of South Carolina. Roll over the big lake out here, and we ain't got too much further to go. Sunrise wasn't that pretty this morning. It almost showed out, but it didn't. But a little bit further, grab us a little biscuit to eat. We'll be there to show y'all Bittersweet. I could be a rapper. Uh-oh, windshield fogging. I made it to the back roads of South Carolina. A little froggy over here this morning. A little foggy this morning. But a little bit further on down the road, we'll be at the race shop ready to go, crack of dawn. Pulled in the Spinks to get us a Yoo-Hoo and Slim Jim on this Sunday morning. We was all talking about going to Arnold's for lunch. They ain't open on Sunday, so no slaw burger today. But all right, we right here at the shop. Let's get on over. We have made it to the shop. We did a raffle to give away the blue and black car this week, so this man gonna come pick it up today, as I said earlier. I think he's gonna be here about 1. Tyler got a wedding to go to. Mad World, haunted house up the street. Halloween's one day this week. Got a couple of race cars. That's the one we give away, the blue and black car. $50 a spot. Sold 100 spots. Thing went pretty quick. Here's Bittersweet. Looking good, about ready to go. Gonna see if we can't figure out this baby carriage thing Tyler couldn't figure out the other night. He took Maverick up to the petting zoo the other night. I'm sure moms know how to do this. We were gonna see if we can't figure it out. He couldn't figure it out, made Maverick walk the other night. Let's see if we can't get it figured out. Hell, I know we're supposed to be working on race cars, but it's fun too. Yeah, you should just call me. I just popped it right open. I ain't got no kids that I know of. They got pills for that.
Hey.
Hell, I got pills for that. We can put the cushion in. Yeah, you're a little narrow than I am. I done had a little bit more gravy and biscuits than you have. Talking about Tyler gonna race this weekend at Dillon. Had the non-winners race. If you win the race, you get put in the New Year's bash. It's the Mass Series winners. Let me rephrase that. Tyler won many a racing, just not Dillon Speedway. Come over here to the other shop, tire shop, get all the stuff me and Tyler have piled up over here, sheet metal and parts. Take over to the other shop over yonder. So when we get the Camaro done, we can start on his personal car. All right, got everything loaded up, need to take to the other shop. Look like Fred Sanford's white grandson gonna drive down the road here, well, just literally across the street. What'd you say?
I said, what'd you do? What'd we do? You kicked out from over yonder?
No, we didn't get kicked out from over yonder. Looks like it though, don't it?
Yeah. Pennies?
Your lucky pennies you tell everybody about?
Hell no, that's so much bad luck.
Them damn lucky pennies have tore up more race cars. Donald can tell you that.
You just need to stop picking them up, Fred.
They ain't, look, at some point, damn luck is gone out of them, Fred. Quit passing them out at the racetrack. Hell, ain't nobody gonna like us. All the racers out there, Fred, tried to give you some pennies like him. Run. Well, as y'all can see, Bittersweet is back together. We got some numbers to throw on it. Had to get last minute. I'm about to slide up under and get the gear changed. We're gonna take a 567 to Dillon. Hopefully 20 laps is that non-winners race. So let me tell y'all about that non-winners race. I know I talked about it earlier. Let me give you all the details. At Dillon Motor Speedway this weekend, November 4th, I'll be with the Car Store doing the last Car Store vlog at Caraway this weekend. But Tyler and Fred and Brad, they're gonna go over there. They have a non-winners race, Mass Series, which is the other Street Stock Touring Series, not to be mixed up with my Street Stock Touring Series. If you've never won a Mass race, they're gonna have a non-winners race this week. It's 20 laps. And if you win that race, you get a guaranteed 6th position start in the New Year's Bash, which is known as the Street Stock Nationals, Dillon Motor Speedway, 60 cars. If you hadn't watched the video where I went last year, go back to January and watch it. It's always the most viewed thing. It's on Racing America. Biggest street stock race in America, in my opinion. So don't pay the most, but it's most prestigious. But if he can go ahead and get in that race, then when we get his personal car done by Christmas, before the baby gets here, he'll be locked in 6th place. And all we got to do is focus on getting Bittersweet in come January 4th, 5th, and 6th, or whatever the hell it is, 5th, 6th, 7th, whatever it is. 3 days there, trying like hell, having fun. So he'll go Saturday, November 4th. While I'm at Caraway, I'm going to try to get done quick at Caraway, depending on the schedule with the Cars Tour, and shoot over. It's an hour and 55 minutes, so I might not make it. I don't know. But the non-qualifiers race will be early in the day. So hopefully, if I can't make it, I'll be able to hear about, him winning the 20-lap race. So all you heroes, you Ledbetters, you Locklears, they won't be in the race. So I'm sure there'll still be some tough competition because I don't know who's won a Mass race. But that's what it is this Saturday, 20-lap non-winners race. Tyler being Bittersweet with the new B00. And hopefully he go victory lane. Now I'm gonna slide under here and get this gear changed. All right, I got the drive shaft took out, got the gear ready to come out, just got to pull the axles out. Tyler getting ready to put some of her numbers on. They're gonna fill the door up. Had to take that green off, I guess. Maybe we can talk Fred into keeping it. Riley Green, pop down back there, we talk. What matter, stand up too fast?
Stand up, my knee didn't want to lock.
Didn't want to unlock?
Didn't want to lock.
Or you got tabs on them or something? You get a hole drill?
Yeah.
I know he's over there fussing and cussing enough to do it. Well, it worked though. I walked outside, mighty good looking square body leaving over there at the neighbor's house. He must be going to church. It's about church time on Sunday morning here in the South. Like on The Price is Right, and there's the big unveil. Oh, there it is. I was about to say unreveal. Got that gold, that might be a shine 2 miles there. Be a sea coming down the road. Fred getting the axles out now. Me and Tyler finish up the numbers, at least on the passenger side. Don't fall over. Our raffle winner, or waffle. I'll get it out in a minute. Waffle winner on Facebook. Don't ask me, I got to use, I guess, Facebook, take it down or whatever. But he's 20 minutes out. So for $50, well, he bought 2 spots. So for $100, he about to get him a race car. So I got to move my truck out of the way so this guy from Central Alabama can get his new race car. I got her broke loose now, so let it drain a little bit. Our contest winner here, so get him loaded up while this drains. Well, our contest winner made it here. Races at Motor Speedway over in middle Alabama. So it took him about 5 hours to get here. Left about 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 or 6 hours. Backing up to get the blue and black car.
Pole race. What you got?
All right, they leaving. Chris Goodwin was a winner of it. They about to make the trip back, and I think we about to make, I got that gear out, so we about to make the trip to go find some lunch. If he'd find first gear, he'd be able to go a little bit quicker. Some of the fun in Easley, South Carolina. He'll get there by tonight or tomorrow. That's some of your kinfolk. That look like a wood ring if I ever seen it.
That's how fast I'm gonna be. That's not how fast it goes.
You better be faster than that one, Sarah, than that. Me and Fred come get us some parts and some lunch. You can't beat it. We love some Panda Express, and right here next to the Advanced Auto Parts, you get us some honey shrimp and some silicone. All right, we gotta get some silicone, black spray paint, power steering fluid.
What about gear oil?
And gear oil. I'm glad you said gear oil. That's on the list to do too. And then we gotta go over here and get us some chicken and shrimp. On 2, ready, break. You ain't got your little grocery shopping cart there like you at Bale's. He gonna get you some pork chops. Hey, Fred, like everybody else, had the same idea we did. They want their shrimp and chicken too. Make sure the chicken and shrimp safe in there. Good, ready to go. All right, let's roll. All right, we got our Panda, we got our parts. $160 later, we headed back to the shop. That's parts and lunch. Might have to work overtime this week. Right, made it back to the shop, a bunch of Dr. Peppers for everybody and some food. All right, we got us something to eat now. And when they finished up, we put the number on wrong a while ago. So we put the right number on, get another one cut, put the other one up here. So that gold looked good.
Next 6 months.
Slide this gear up under there and get it in. Toss these axles back in. Throw some hot red on there on that third member. That way she won't leak. Alright, I got the red, hot, or orange, hot, whatever the hell, silicone laid down. So go ahead and slide this third member in there. Get us headed, put the axles back in. Well, that's gonna wrap the day up. As you can see, there goes Ty. He had to go to a wedding. So his wife was in she's a bridesmaid in the wedding today. So wrapping it up, hopefully we're gonna go practice either Wednesday or Thursday at Anderson Speedway, about 20 minutes up the street. Get ready for Dillon this coming Saturday. So again, if you didn't hear it the first time, non-winners race 20 laps. If Ty can win, he will be locked in with a 6th starting position for the New Year's Bash in January. And I get to go do the car store thing, Caraway Speedway, real excited about that. Me and Fred gonna hop in and ease on back to Jefferson. He got to call Mama Judy and let him know he on the road. Hey, you got a dirty shirt on in this new truck of yours. Them cloth seats, you gonna get it dirty.
I'm taking have it detailed.
Oh, fancy. You gonna spend $80 have it detailed? Hell, look, make sure ain't nothing coming before we get run over.
That's what it takes. Let's go give me.
What you gonna do if Tyler wins Saturday? Am I replaced in Bittersweet? He wins non-winners race. He wins non-winners race. Don't let him run the mass race. He didn't say it. Y'all load up and let him start drinking beer. If we be in the New Year's Bash.
Well, if he ends up winning, then one car's in the bash.
Yeah, then we'll just go to Hickory next week and see if I can figure out how to get around the fall brawl.
I guess.
Reckon? One way or another.
Do it and try it.
And we finally made it back to Jefferson, Georgia to get ready for the work week. But put a recap on the day. Had a good day, productive day. Got the gear in, drive shaft back in, brakes bled, power steering. Got a few more things I'm gonna do. Gonna try to go middle of the week with Bittersweet to practice at Anderson Speedway. So call Jeff either maybe Wednesday or Thursday. So see what he says. But other than that, promise y'all it won't be another month without, video. I've been seeing the message and the messages, asking what's going on. But just like I said, with my street stock touring deal and the cars tour deal, it's that lot going on. And I cannot do a video when, I'm trying to promote a race too. It does not work out. So maybe one day, maybe a season opener next year or something like that. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. If you see us at Caraway this week or see me at Caraway this weekend, come say hello. If you see Fred, Tyler, B-Rad, anybody at Dillon, y'all come over there and say hello to them. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.